So it's hot as Hades. Your water bill looks like you own a pool, but your backyard looks dried out like a desert or hard concrete. Worms are coming up, they're turning in, they look like leather shoelaces before they realize they made a mistake. But what are you thinking? How do I plan my fall vegetable garden? I'm with you. That's what this video is about. I'm going to show you what I'm thinking over yonder. And it won't be long till you need to start planting stuff. So like, for example, oh, wait a second. For example, let me see, you said the blind man. Huh. Yeah, you can get your beets in. July 15th to August 15th is Zone 7B. That's for fact. Yep, that's fact. That's fact. What's up, you, Jack? Well, you can throw some more beans in too, but I'm talking for the fall. July 15th, carrot. Plant carrot. July 15th, collards. I'm planting collards. Kohlrabi, I'm not messing with kohlrabi. I ain't gonna do it. I'm not messing with it anymore. Rutabagas, nah. Pass. Let me see. Yeah, August 1st, gotta get my lettuce in there. My leaf lettuce, I got leaf lettuce. Where'd my radish be? August 15th, get my radish rolling. So it's time. So let me show you where. Well, this is a raised bed, which I've committed to cool season gardening. So in the spring, we had all that stuff in there. You can go back and look at the videos. This is left over from that spring season. These are leaf lettuce, butter crunch, and romaine. They're still there because we were cut and we're about out, but we've been using that for the chickens. Anyway, this is 4x8, and I'll break it into 2x2 sections. And so like there'll be carrot in one section and collard greens in another, radish, so forth and so on. Probably get me some Chinese cabbage in here too. It's probably going collard greens, lettuce, radish, carrots, and Chinese cabbage. That, well, that's not part of this video. It's a mess. I need to get my garden scissors out. But there's cantaloupe, watermelon, and a tomato over there. That's an auxiliary experiment thing. But there you go. I saved this bed back. Just lay it, let it hang out. I still water it so it doesn't turn into a big crusty mess. And I'll be planting that starting in July 15, just about a week. Well, there are my plans. Drop a comment. What are you gonna do? Are you ready? Are you gonna try to plant the stuff in October? You Zone 7, you need to be starting July, finishing by the middle of August. That's just the way it is. I didn't make the rules. I just follow the sheet. Leave those comments down there. Oops, I got my glasses back. It don't matter. Dog.